Hey, enough it up. If a food you eat, it is good. It is good. If a banana you eat, you eat it. It is good. If a chicken you eat, you eat. It is good. If a pork you eat, you eat. It is good. If a pudding you eat, you eat. Alright, done that. Yeah. That one I need to business. Me attack up the gang in Gaisy. People business epileptic. Also look on the full out of 6:30. People business epileptic. And I see people blowing the big banky. And you people live in the other man in the big mountain. I was not alone on the light, but you take me. People business epileptic. Jimmy and the bed full up of people. People business epileptic. I can't tell you when you can't stop the but people business in the epileptic.
Not you a little boy. We can't tell you something, baby. About playing in English now. If you are serious, don't play with the liquor, cause we want pussy. Hold on, Miss Muggy. Bend over and one. Yeah, blood on his blood.
Man, I mean, and now we have to deal with this strong one.
We have to deal with this strong one because we know it's so strong here. Me have to go and strong one and can't manage it. Guess what I do? Can't manage it, blood. Me hold him, me have to play the breast and hold him and I ride him. I can't mash him up, no one kill him. I quit him to it. Me have to pick his head, but get out of it. Right, we can murder it so I get so. Boom! So, but me have put in it. I do so I put a receipt, man. You know any knife? Guess what? You know any knife? I will need to buy you that back like them so and you man. You don't buy it so and the pussy I go so buy. Yeah you. Baby, you are the dog see that tree there, you want God. The man he never get God see that kill him.
And then when we summarize, people don't understand that when you conclude everything you said to the lady, say, and these are your words. The Almighty create somebody. The Almighty create human being. The Almighty know all end product, and yet that is right. And He create human being. And human being have the knowledge, put the knowledge in human being to create the vaccine. So it's the Almighty create the vaccine for us, and the lady should take it. You never hear when the lady say, yo, sufferation. Saying, Andrew, let me tell you this. Just like how God work, I say the devil work too. Saying, no for a Baphomet boy work under the devil regime. But that me I tell you, any leaders or any leader of any nation, saying, suffer. Remember say God said the meek shall inherit the earth. So any leader make the nation suffer. That are not God work. Any leader that look for any individual, any civilian and tell them say, God make a vaccine for them. That is abomination of the Most High works, or the words of the Most High. Saying that will never come from the Most High, no time at all. That is abomination. You understand? Me not tell people don't take your vaccine. Go and take the vaccine if you have to take the vaccine. But Angelo say I walk through a ghetto, and I say walk through a ghetto, you saw the people them live. Bag of zinc fence, bag of tear down, and you have camera and bag of things, and you walk through the ghetto, you say you come off of your eye ass. What the truck there with the basic necessities. Or you know, walk through ghetto. I see about 20 truckers walk through ghetto and people are on half things give the people them. You lock down the country again. You lock down the people them in a sufferation. With the food there, you walk through and you carry your camera and you report that and you want to show people say you walk through where the food there. Where the things them will lock down in the ghetto, where the people them forget the things them there. Or you know, hand out vaccine can't take for hungry belly. It can't take for hungry belly. Judgment, lightning can't take for hungry belly. Remember that. See? So no found where politics oriented. I go feel like me not deal with politics, we burn politics. Me tell you say red and green have no significance unless gold in it. Only for you dead for red, green and gold, but red and green boy. Red, green and gold uplift the youth them. See? Listen to
slow down, Daniel. Good try, man. Good try. Good try, that boy. Maxi, one up. No, I want back, you know. That's not the problem. Who are you, Tarika? What's the plan? Marco. Nice. Good. Let's go on this side, man. Look up. Good. Good, not alone. Tappy. Hold him, Ducker. Stand out there about Ducker. Good. Walk out the guard. Nice. No, sir. Hand! Guys, bitter. Angry. Come on, hands out to them, brother. So, what are hey, but for hands out the jersey, that no, jersey! Where you get that? Where you get that from? What's the hand for? No, for your hand out. Come in. Go. Jersey. Nice, man. Yo, me say I instantly come about no. Ah, put that on. Kind of move. You can't make it just drop on you. Push ahead. And if it's going like gold to blood that. So good one, you see your book, you know? Yes. First on your book when you come on. Good. Listen. Nice.